In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen, PowerPoint, and video on Zoom. First, make sure you've joined your Zoom meeting so you can access the toolbar and share controls. Once you're in, confirm your audio is connected and that you have permission to share your screen. It helps to let participants know you'll be sharing, so they're ready for the transition. Before you share, open your PowerPoint file and your video file on your computer. Having both ready to go will make your presentation smoother. Arrange the windows so they're easy to find, PowerPoint where you can quickly start the slideshow, and your video player cued to the right timestamp. Close any distracting apps and silence notifications so nothing unexpected pops up while you're presenting. Now look for the green Share Screen button on the Zoom toolbar at the bottom of your meeting window and click it. This opens the sharing panel, which shows your available screens and open application windows. In that panel, check the boxes for Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip. Share Sound ensures your participants hear any audio coming from your computer, including your video's soundtrack. Optimize for Video Clip helps Zoom prioritize motion for smoother playback. If your video has music or narration, these two options are essential. Keep an eye on your system volume and speak clearly so your voice and the video audio are balanced. Next, select what you want to share. If you plan to switch between your PowerPoint and the video smoothly, choosing your entire screen can be the easiest option because anything you bring to the front will be visible to participants. If you prefer more privacy, select just the PowerPoint window or the video player window. Pick the option that contains both items you intend to show, or share your full screen and keep only the relevant windows visible and neatly arranged. Once you've made your selection, click Share. You'll see a border around the shared area and a small toolbar at the top of your screen. Start your PowerPoint slideshow and present as you normally would. When it's time to play your video, bring the video window forward and press play. Because you enabled Share Sound and Optimize for Video Clip, your audience should hear the audio clearly and see smoother motion. Speak over the video if needed, and pause briefly when switching back to slides so participants can follow along without confusion. That's all it takes to share a PowerPoint and a video seamlessly on Zoom. With everything prepared and those two checkboxes enabled, your presentation will look and sound professional.